Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So for this video, let's talk about how to fix this error, which is going to be the Roblox Error Code 267. Now this is sometimes a very frustrating error, and I have a very quick fix for you. So let's get started. Now the first thing I do right now is head over to your desktop, which is going to be this one right here. Now once you're going to be on desktop, under Windows key right there, type in Roblox. You're going to see Roblox Player here, and so much more. So right click on the application, click on Opal Find Location. In here you're going to see a lot of options, the player and the studio. So click on the player, right click here, open the Find Location one more time, and under the beta, make sure this is going to be under properties. Just add number 1 there, and under compatibility, make sure this is checked. Click on OK, click on change settings for all users, and then click on apply. And basically that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.